Medication safety is a crucial aspect of healthcare that affects everyone, whether you take prescriptions regularly or only occasionally. Understanding how to use medicines correctly can prevent harmful side effects, dangerous interactions, and even life-threatening mistakes. In this video, we'll explore essential tips and practices to ensure you and your loved ones stay safe while taking medications. From reading labels to storing pills properly, each step matters. Let's begin our journey to safer medication habits and empower ourselves with knowledge that can make a real difference in our daily lives. Every year, thousands of people experience adverse effects from medications due to simple mistakes. These can range from taking the wrong dose to mixing incompatible drugs. Medication safety isn't just about following doctors' orders, it's about being proactive and informed. By understanding the risks and responsibilities, you can avoid common pitfalls and protect your health. Let's see why being careful with medicines is so important for everyone, regardless of age or health status. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to ensure medication safety is by carefully reading the labels. Labels contain vital information such as dosage instructions, potential side effects, and warnings about interactions. Always take a moment to review the label before taking any medicine, even if it's something you've used before. This habit can help you catch any changes in instructions or new warnings, keeping you safe from accidental misuse. Taking the correct dose is essential for medication to work safely and effectively. Too little may not help your condition, while too much can be harmful. Always use the measuring device provided, such as a spoon or cup, and never guess the amount. If you're unsure about the right dose, consult your pharmacist or doctor. Remember, more is not always better when it comes to medicine. Some medications need to be taken at specific times of the day to work best or to avoid side effects. Setting reminders or using a pill organizer can help you stay on track. Missing doses or taking them at the wrong time can reduce effectiveness or cause problems. Make medication timing part of your daily routine for the best results. Proper storage of medications is often overlooked but is vital for safety. Keep medicines in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Always store them out of reach of children and pets. Some medications may require refrigeration, so check the label for instructions. Safe storage prevents accidental ingestion and keeps medicines effective. It's easy to confuse medicines, especially if you take several at once. To avoid mix-ups, keep medications in their original containers with labels intact. Never combine different pills in one bottle. If you use a pill organizer, label each compartment clearly. Double-check before taking your dose, especially if you're in a hurry. Expired medications can lose their effectiveness or even become harmful. Always check the expiration date before taking any medicine. Dispose of expired or unused medications safely, following local guidelines or pharmacy take-back programs. Keeping your medicine cabinet up to date is a simple way to protect your health. All medications can cause side effects, ranging from mild to severe. It's important to know what to expect and when to seek help. Read the information leaflet that comes with your medicine and pay attention to any changes in how you feel. If you notice anything unusual, contact your healthcare provider promptly. Some medicines can interact with others, leading to unexpected side effects or reduced effectiveness. Always inform your healthcare provider about all the medications, supplements, and herbal products you use. This helps them check for possible interactions and adjust your treatment if necessary. Never start or stop a medicine without consulting your doctor. Allergic reactions to medications can be serious and sometimes life-threatening. Symptoms may include rash, swelling, difficulty breathing, or dizziness. If you suspect an allergy, stop taking the medicine and seek medical help immediately. Always inform your healthcare provider about any known allergies before starting a new medication. Open communication with your doctor is key to medication safety. Don't hesitate to ask questions about your prescriptions, including why you need them, how to take them, and what side effects to watch for. If you experience any problems or have concerns, let your doctor know right away. Working together helps ensure your treatment is safe and effective. Pharmacists are valuable resources for medication safety. They can answer your questions, check for drug interactions, and offer advice on how to take your medicines correctly. Don't hesitate to consult your pharmacist if you're unsure about anything related to your prescriptions. Over-the-counter, OTC medicines are convenient but still require caution. Always read the label and follow the instructions. Avoid taking multiple products with the same active ingredient, as this can lead to accidental overdose. If you're unsure whether an OTC medicine is safe for you, ask your pharmacist or doctor. Children are especially vulnerable to medication errors. Always use child-resistant packaging and store medicines out of reach. Give medicines only as directed by a healthcare provider and never use adult doses for children. Double-check the label every time to ensure you're giving the right medicine and dose. Older adults often take multiple medications, increasing the risk of interactions and side effects. Keep an updated list of all medicines and share it with your healthcare providers. Use pill organizers and reminders to help manage complex regimens. Regularly review your medications with your doctor to ensure they're still necessary and safe. When traveling, keep your medicines in their original containers and carry a copy of your prescription. Pack enough medicine for your trip, plus a little extra in case of delays. Store medicines in your carry-on bag to avoid loss or damage. Check travel regulations for any restrictions on certain medications. Proper disposal of unused or expired medicines prevents accidental poisoning and environmental harm. Don't flush medicines down the toilet unless instructed. Use pharmacy take-back programs or follow local guidelines for safe disposal. Keeping your home free of unnecessary medicines is an important part of medication safety. Herbal supplements can interact with prescription medicines and cause side effects. Always inform your healthcare provider about any supplements you're taking. Don't assume that natural means safe. Herbs can be powerful and sometimes dangerous when combined with other treatments. Mixing alcohol with certain medications can be dangerous and even life-threatening. Alcohol can increase side effects or reduce the effectiveness of your medicine. Always check the label and ask your doctor if it's safe to drink alcohol while taking your medication. If you miss a dose, don't panic. Check the instructions or ask your pharmacist what to do next. Never double up on doses unless directed by your doctor. Keeping a medication schedule can help prevent missed doses in the future. Not all pills can be crushed or split. Doing so can change how the medicine works or cause side effects. Always check with your pharmacist before altering any medication. Some pills have special coatings or are designed to release slowly in your body. Some medicines need to be taken with food while others should be taken on an empty stomach. Certain foods can interact with medications, changing how they work. Always read the instructions and ask your healthcare provider if you have questions about food and medicine interactions. Medication aids like pill organizers, reminder apps, and calendars can help you manage your medicines more effectively. These tools are especially helpful if you take multiple medications or have a busy schedule. Find the system that works best for you and stick with it. If you experience side effects from a medication, report them to your healthcare provider. This helps them adjust your treatment and keeps you safe. In some cases, side effects should also be reported to national safety agencies. Your feedback can help improve medication safety for everyone. Pets can be at risk from human medications. Never give your pet any medicine without a veterinarian's advice and store all medicines out of their reach. If your pet accidentally ingests medication, contact your vet immediately. Pet safety is part of overall medication safety at home. Medication guidelines and recommendations can change over time. Stay informed by reading reliable sources and asking your healthcare provider about any updates. Being proactive about your health helps you make safe choices with your medicines. In case of emergencies, keep a list of your medications and dosages handy. Share this information with family members or caregivers. Having this information ready can save valuable time and ensure you receive the right care if you're unable to communicate. Regularly review your medications with your healthcare provider to ensure they're still necessary and safe. This is especially important if you have multiple prescriptions or your health changes. Stopping unnecessary medicines can reduce your risk of side effects and interactions. Medication safety is everyone's responsibility. By following these tips, reading labels, checking dosages, storing medicines safely, and communicating with your healthcare team, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Remember, when in doubt, always ask a professional. Safe medication practices lead to better health and peace of mind.